Hi, this is Matt from Educational Technology. Over the last few weeks, I've been reviewing a number of educational AI tools that help teachers facilitate their teaching and enhance their workflow. And in today's video, I'm introducing you to another equally important tool called MagicSchool. We'll explore the different tools MagicSchool provides for us teachers and educators, and we will also talk about the different ways to use it in your own teaching. So to start using MagicSchool, first log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and register for a free account. Then on the left hand side, you will see here a collection of the features that MagicSchool provides. Let me start with the Reina chatbot. Click on Reina. So this is a chatbot that is custom trained specifically for teachers and educators. You can think of it as a virtual assistant to help you with different instructional materials. For instance, you can use Reina to generate lesson plans, classroom activities, get help with teaching methodologies, and so on and so forth. It's like ChatGPT, but only for teachers and educators. So here's how to use Reina. You can either type in your prompt or use one of the suggestion questions here, or you can upload a material to Reina and let it interact with it. For instance, you can upload a document, a PowerPoint presentation, an image, a YouTube video, or a website URL. Let me give you an example here. Let's say you want to use a YouTube video. For instance, you can click on YouTube video, paste in the URL of the YouTube video, and then ask Reina to, for instance, generate a summary of the video or generate a quiz or any other activity you want. Reina does a great job generating instructional materials from the sources you provided. There is also the actions button here, which you can click on to quickly access features like translation. You can quickly translate the output of Reina, or click on questions if you want to generate questions for the input you provided, and summarize and other tools. There is also the custom feature here. When you click on custom feature, you can add a custom prompt. For instance, say you always use a prompt to generate certain kinds of materials. You can write the prompt title here and your actual prompt and save it, so that next time you want to create a resource, you can just come here to actions and click on the prompt you have saved before. This saves you time. See Reina in action. Let's click on one of these questions here. Let me pick this one. So here is what Reina provided for us as a response to the question, what are some engaging lessons on the food pyramid? It gives us a structured lesson plan here with everything you need, from activities to objectives and everything. So all you can do now is to click on edit to edit the lesson plan and customize it to your own teaching needs, or you can export the lesson plan to Google Docs or to Microsoft Word, or you can print it. You can also click on it if you want to hear an audio version of the output, and there is the more section here if you want to save the resource to your account here on MagicSchool. Okay, so that was a quick overview of Reina chatbot. Now let's go to Magic Tools. Magic Tools are AI-powered tools provided by MagicSchool that allows you to generate different instructional materials. These tools are arranged into different categories. There is the category of lesson planning, content generation, generating questions, and so on and so forth. Let me click on the first category here for planning, and let's see here. There are different tools to use to help you with your own lesson plans. Let me click on this one as an example, lesson plan tool, and see what it does. For the lesson plan here, you can use it to generate a lesson plan on any topic you want. Here's how to do it. Simply choose the grade level. Then here, type in your topic or you can voice type your topic, or you can upload a document and write your own specific instructions here. Then down here, you can add your own criteria. For instance, if you have something specific that you want to include in your lesson plan, ask Reina here to include it. And down here, there's the standard section, and you can upload the document, or you can voice type or type in the standards you want your lesson plan to be aligned to. Then click on generate. Let me give a quick example here. Let's leave the 9th grade, for instance. The topic, let's say it's on World War II. And then let me say, please include group activities, and then standards. Okay, and then we click on generate. And as you can see, within few seconds, the lesson plan is generated. And here is the fun part. You can easily edit the lesson plan by coming down here and click on edit. Then you can edit any section of the lesson plan. And as you can see here, the lesson plan is well structured with different headings and activities. Of course, you always need to edit whatever AI generated for you. Go ahead and review what Reina has generated for you. Edit the lesson plan to make it customized to your own teaching needs. And once done, you can click on export to export your lesson plan to Google Docs or Microsoft Word, or you can print it. You can also click on copy or click on more to save it to your MagicSchool account. So now let's move on to the content category and see the tools it includes here. You can see there are several tools to help you with content generation. Let's pick an example, the presentation generation tool, and see what we can do with it. So as you can see here, this presentation generator allows you to generate presentations based on a topic you choose. You can either type in the topic, or you can upload a document or a YouTube video or a URL. So once you do, just come here, write your instructions and criteria just like we did before, and then create on generate, and Magic tool will generate the presentation with the number of slides you have determined here, and you can then export it or copy and edit it the way you want. All right, so as we have seen, the planning, the content, and you can do the same thing with all the other tools in these categories. Just click on any category, go through the AI tools that it has and try them out. If you are interested in any of them, just click on it to try it out. And also you can use here the recommended for you section to see the tools that Magic AI recommends for you. So if you like a tool, click on the star buttons here to add it to your favorites, and then it will appear here so that you can easily and quickly access it. So there are several AI tools that MagicSchool provides. You can use the filter right here to quickly narrow down your search. And as I said, when you find tools that you like, make sure to add them to your favorites so that you will be able to access them here easily. So the output history here is where you will be able to see all the things you've been doing on MagicSchool, the resources you have generated. You can click on preview to preview them, or you can click on edit to edit them further. You can also share them with others. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.